What's up? Joe's Golden Garage here with another, what is this? This is my stepdad's Expedition. Another little startup, walk around, short test drive. Not sure what year this thing is. Let's look and see. I'm sure it says here on the door. I think it's a 13. Might be a 12. It's a 13, yeah. This is stays up at the lake house, and as you can see, it's pretty filthy. It's covered in pollen. I mean, it is filthy. Look how, man, this thing's nasty. I ain't had a bath in a long time. Golly, I swear it's white under there. This is the EL, so it's extra long. Got the tow package. They traded a 2003 Mercedes SL55 in on this a couple of years back. This thing was slightly used when they bought it. Got a little damage down here. Not sure where that came from, but got a little damage. This is a four-wheel drive model, and it's pretty loaded. I think it's an Eddie Bauer. Goodyear Wranglers. Got pretty good tread still on the tires. But yeah, definitely, it's down here. I'm going to be bathing this thing tomorrow, getting her cleaned up. This is an XLT. Looks kind of like an Eddie Bauer, but it's got the leather. This thing is, man, this thing is dirty. Woo. Yeah, let's see. It's got leather. Doesn't have captain's chairs. Has the third row. This thing is super roomy. I mean, adults can sit in the third row, no problem. I love the Expeditions, and then the EL's even better. It doesn't have entertainment or sunroof, but it does have heated and cooled seats. So it's got some options that you'll find on an Eddie Bauer. And it looks like an Eddie Bauer with the two-tone paint and everything. Let's see. 7.5, no trailer, 68,969 miles. So it's got a few miles on it, running back and forth between Blue Ridge, Georgia, and down here in the Atlanta area. Let's get some AC seats going on. And this got the automatic climate control with dual temp on both sides. No navigation or anything, even though I know it was an option, but it's got a pretty good sounding stereo with Microsoft Sync. Four-wheel drive. There's 2 high, 4 high, and automatic four-wheel drive, and of course four-wheel drive low. Self-dimming rearview mirror. And I guess that's basically about it. Got some wood grain trim here and some kind of grainy material there. Power pedals. So yeah, it's not bad. It's got the overhead side airbags, which I think might have been an option back in the day on these. It's been a long time since I've driven this thing. I can't wait to get in here and clean this thing up real good tomorrow. This thing needs a bath. But, even though it's filthy and dirty, it's always been maintained well as far as oil changes and all that goes. Service isn't due till $69,354. And it's got just short of 69,000 miles. This has the 5.4 Triton, which, you know, most Expeditions do. And this one's mated to a 6-speed automatic. which makes a world of difference in these things. I can't remember exactly when they went from a 4-speed automatic to a 6-speed automatic. If I was just guessing, I'm going to say sometime around 2008 or 9, maybe. But gosh, it just... My wife had an 03 Expedition with the 5.4 Triton and the 4-speed automatic, and it was good. It was a great vehicle. But I noticed just with this one having 2 more gears, it's got way more get up and go, off the line. Just gets about so much better. And this is the, the long version. So it's bigger and heavier, but very peppy. Yeah, this thing still drives really good. I know it's dirty as can be. Look at my stepdad, all his shit. He's a crazy guy. He's a lake house man. He hangs out up there. They have a lake house cabin up there in Blue Ridge, Georgia, and he hangs out up there and plays golf and boats and fishes. And my mom kind of keeps things clean, except for she won't clean his damn trucks. But I think I'm gonna clean this one up tomorrow. Might even spring for a coat of wax. What the hell? Might even. Man, these AC seats. It's not a very hot. It's only 73 out today, but they work good. It was about half to 3/4 throttle. She gets up, goes pretty good. Drives smooth and straight. Just rides great. I rode back 7-8 hours today from the beach in Florida today in my aunt's Lexus GX 460. There was 3 of us, and my back has been killing me from riding in that thing. The seats in that thing are awful. I cannot believe Lexus puts, I mean, in my opinion, some people probably think they're wonderful, but they were way too hard. There was not, my ass hurt so bad. And actually, I wasn't the only one complaining, so I'm just curious. Why a 15 Lexus would have shitty seats, because this thing rides great, seats are comfortable, it's got a hell of a lot more room, and it's a hell of a lot cheaper. But it's a damn Ford. It won't last as long as that Lexus. They don't even compare. What am I talking about? I'm just going to shut up on that subject. The two don't even compare. Alright. Get us a little 0 to 60 from a dead stop. Oh, spin the wheels, baby. What? She's got pretty good go still. Yeah. Strong brakes. Man, these brakes feel good. Got good pedal feel. And I like these side mirrors with the little smaller mirror for your blind spot and stuff. That's pretty cool. Or for trailer towing. That's pretty cool. XB will roll out, man. Not bad for an old 5.4 Triton. I've got first dibs on this thing whenever it comes time to trade it off or sell it. I want first shot at it, because I know it's been well maintained. It's just a 2-owner. It's never been wrecked. Sure, it's not the cleanest one out there, but that's all right. That stuff will clean up. Well, that's it. Just thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, appreciate it. Comment, and look forward to the next one. We'll see y'all. Peace.